I wanted to stop and record one of these. This is the PC680 GT catch can. I originally built this can, or designed it, 2005, 2006 maybe. Actually, I still have the original here. This is it. I actually built it on the fourth single cam project, which was a 92 to 95 teal coupe. I did it built motor, SC61, 10 psi. It made 285 wheel, which at the time was a lot of power. Then I took it out that car, flipped it over, which is the orientation it's in now, and I put it in my gold 88 hatchback, which is the car most people, I guess, know me for from back in the day. That was a single cam D series car that went 1085. Oh, I'm sorry, 1089 at 136 mile an hour. And I made it. Then I had no real plan of producing them, so I set it on the shelf. Once I took it off that car and started building our S-can, which is what was used on that gold car for the most part. So I started building S-cans, and then I guess about 5 years ago, I kept having people ask about it. So I started producing them, and I've probably made a few hundred since then. But this is it. This fits in the battery tray along with the PC680 compact catch can. So if you need a catch can to go in without removing the battery, this is it. This one's 2 filter port, 3 10AN ports with the filter baffles and the interior baffle. So it'll do all you want as far as catch cans go without removing the battery.
deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Discipline for the win. I just go for it. It's a trend for these men to die on their own sword. Journey far, learn who you can be, but you can learn.